I will get my revenge. La 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 la. Huh?
Yeah. 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 Huh? Iceberg! You! You!
What?
You tricked me.
What?
You said that if I was going to jump off at the cliff, that I would get $1,000,000.
So?
Do you see $1,000,000 in my hand?
No.
Well, you tricked me.
You really need to learn how to take jokes.
What do you mean? You know what? Maybe you're right. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Hey, Iceberg. Just a little birdie I was looking for.
Okay. What's up?
Well, I wanted to apologize for yesterday, and I brought you a little surprise.
What is it?
Well, come step over here. There. Okay, here it comes.
I wonder what it is. For me?
Yes, all for you.
Ow, 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 ow,
What a sucker.
That's my line.